Just see and know. If this place frustrate me one more time, I run off. I swear.
Ever find yourself just staring at the ceiling at night, thinking, is this it? Dreaming of a life abroad, but feeling like your only options are the US, the UK, or Canada? Well, stick around, because today we're tearing up that whole map. Welcome to Rate JA, where we rate everything Jamaica. Today, we're talking about something personal, building a new life. If you're looking to earn more, live better, or just see what else the world has to offer, you're in the right place. Now, before we jump in, a quick disclaimer. This video is for informational purposes based on extensive research for 2024 and 2025. You should always consult the official immigration websites for the most current laws and requirements. This is your journey, and you have to own it. But I'm here to give you the blueprint. We're breaking down 10 of the best countries, plus 3 honorable mentions, with real numbers on salary, cost of living, visa details, and the jobs they're hungry for. So, if you're ready to see beyond the usual, let's begin.
Coming in at number 10, we are heading to a land of Vikings, vast mountains, and a truly life-changing opportunity, Norway. Now, why Norway for a Jamaican? 2 words: free education. Imagine getting a world-class university degree without paying $1 in tuition. You'll need to prove you can cover your living expenses, about $13,000 for the year, but with student visas available, this is an incredible gateway to Europe. And for our skilled workers, Norway is calling. They have high demand for engineers, nurses, and IT pros. A skilled workers visa can land you a salary between $50,000 and $70,000 a year. That's over 10 million JMD. Now, the cost of living is high and the climate is no Negril Beach, but with amazing social benefits and a path to residency after just 3 years, Norway is a top-tier choice for investing in yourself. At number 9 is a place that might feel surprisingly like home, but with a different kind of opportunity. We're talking about Panama. If you want a tropical climate and a relaxed Caribbean-like vibe, Panama is it. The big deal here is the Friendly Nations visa, which makes residency possible just by getting a job or setting up a small business. It's one of the most welcoming policies for foreigners in the region. The income is more modest, between $10,000 to $20,000 a year, but the cost of living is affordable. You can live comfortably and about $1,200 a month. Yes, it's Spanish speaking, which is a hurdle, but for retirees or anyone wanting an easy transition with a familiar atmosphere, Panama is a hidden gem. Our number 8 spot is a country that has become a hotspot for remote workers and anyone dreaming of a European lifestyle without the crazy costs. Welcome to Portugal. Why Portugal? Flexibility. Their D7 visa is perfect for anyone earning remote or passive income, but the game changer is the new job seeker visa, which lets you move there before you even have a job offer, giving you time to find your footing. With average salaries around $25,000 to $35,000 and a monthly budget of just $1,200, your money goes a long way here. Plus, permanent residency after 5 years and citizenship after 6. For any Jamaican creative, freelancer, or a digital nomad, Portugal is your soft landing in Europe. Next up, at number 7, we're heading to a place known for its incredible order, safety, and a massive demand for a skill many Jamaicans already possess: Japan. Japan might seem like a world away culturally and linguistically, and it is, but here's the key: teaching English. It is the single easiest entry point into one of the world's most advanced societies. The demand is huge. Salaries for teachers range from $24,000 to $35,000, and while cities like Tokyo are expensive, the pay is structured to let you live well. Beyond teaching, the new specified skilled worker visa is opening doors in caregiving and hospitality. It's a challenge, yes, but if you value structure,
safety, and a reliable job market, Japan offers a unique and rewarding path.
All right. For number 6, we're flying to a place that eliminates one of the biggest migration hurdles right from the start. A green island in Europe where there's no language barrier. Ireland. Why Ireland? It's arguably the easiest European transition for a Jamaican. You can hit the ground running. The Critical Skills Employment Permit is a golden ticket for anyone in healthcare or IT. And if you choose to study there, the post-study work rights are generous. Salaries are strong, averaging 35 to 45,000 US dollars. The cost of living is the main drawback, especially in Dublin, but the trade-off is huge. Free schooling for your kids, a welcoming society, and long-term access to the entire European Union. It's a powerful move for the future. Halfway through our list, at number 5, is the economic powerhouse of Europe, a country that offers free university education and some of the highest job security in the world. Germany. Just like Norway, Germany offers free tuition at its public universities. But the real power move here is the EU Blue Card. If you have a degree and a job offer starting around 44,000 euros, Germany will roll out the red carpet for you, fast-tracking you to permanent residency. Don't have a job yet? The Job Seeker Visa gives you 6 months to find one. Let's be real. You will need to learn German for most jobs. There's no getting around it. But for that effort, you get incredible benefits, high salaries, and access to a world-class infrastructure. For the serious, skilled professional, Germany is a solid investment. At number 4, we have a destination perfect for families, nature lovers, and anyone who wants that English-speaking, first-world lifestyle, but at a more relaxed pace, New Zealand. New Zealand is looking for the skills that keep a country running: tradespeople, teachers, and healthcare workers. Their skilled migrant category is a points-based system, and having a job offer in one of those high-demand fields gives you a massive boost. The income and cost of living are similar to Ireland, but the lifestyle is all about the outdoors and work-life balance. And the pathway to residency can be as short as 2 years. For a Jamaican family looking for peace, safety, and a high quality of life, New Zealand is hard to beat. Entering our top 3 is a country that has been a dream destination for decades, with strong Jamaican communities already on the ground: Australia. Why Australia? Opportunity and community. The demand for skilled trades is massive. Electricians, plumbers, you name it. The same goes for nurses and teachers. The skilled independent visa means if you have the right skills, you don't even need an employer to sponsor you. The salaries are high, between 40 and 60,000 US dollars to match the cost of living. But the real advantage here is the established Jamaican community. Having that taste of home, from the food to the music, can make all the difference when settling in. Australia offers both lucrative work and a familiar welcome. Our number 2 spot goes to a small island nation that punches way above its weight. A place known for its efficiency, safety, and the potential for fast entry and even faster savings: Singapore. Singapore is a powerhouse, and it runs on foreign talent. They need people across the board, from caregiving and cleaning to high finance and IT. The Employment Pass and S-Pass are your main tickets in, sponsored by your employer. Now, you've heard it's expensive, and it is, but here's a secret. Many jobs, especially in caregiving and other service sectors, come with housing and meals included. This allows you to save a huge portion of your salary, which ranges from $2,000 to $3,500 US dollars a month. Permanent residency is tough, but if your goal is to get in, work hard, and save a significant amount of money quickly, no place does it better than Singapore. Okay, before we get to our number 1 pick, which might surprise you, here are 3 honorable mentions that offer something truly unique. Ghana, for that deep cultural connection. The right of abode for Jamaicans of African descent is a game changer, offering a path to citizenship. It's affordable, but income potential is limited. best for retirees or entrepreneurs. Costa Rica for the digital nomads. With a special remote work visa and a low-tax, eco-friendly lifestyle, it's perfect for anyone who can work online. Trinidad and Tobago for the easiest transition. Using the CARICOM Skill National Certificate, it's one of Jamaicans' simplest ways to work abroad in a familiar English-speaking culture. And now, the #1 country on our list for Jamaicans to migrate to beyond the traditional options. It's not a place for permanent settlement, but as a strategic tool for building wealth, it is unmatched. The United Arab Emirates. Forget everything you think you know. The UAE offers massive tax-free salaries in almost every sector imaginable. Construction, security, retail, domestic help, and high-level professional jobs. The employment visa system is straightforward and accessible. Salaries range from $25,000 to $40,000 US, but that's not the whole story. Many jobs come with free housing, transport, and medical care. This means your expenses are incredibly low and your savings potential is huge. While there is no path to citizenship, the UAE is the ultimate stepping stone. You can work there for a few years, build serious capital, and then fund your own business back home or finance your migration to anywhere else in the world. For pure financial empowerment, the UAE is #1. So there you have it, family. 10 countries plus 3 honorable mentions that prove our options are wider than we've been led to believe. The journey starts with a feeling of uncertainty, but I hope that now, seeing these real possibilities, you feel a sense of hope and, most importantly, empowerment. If this video opened your eyes to a new possibility, please give it a like and subscribe to Red JA for more content that empowers our people. And now, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below. Which country caught your eye the most? Or is there a country we missed? Walk good and dream big.